Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do my first video for health and fitness, and I'm excited about this guys because I'm working so hard to get healthy. I do plan my week at least to work out 3 days a week, and if you guys know anything about getting healthy, it's 80% food and 20% gym pretty much. So I wanted to talk about something I have in my kitchen that I absolutely love. If you guys seen an old video I have, what I did was get a rice cooker. Now I was never the type of person to cook at home. I was very busy, I worked a lot, and I usually just would eat out, order something out. Once I was sitting home a lot, I wasn't going to work, I noticed that my diet was not the best one in the world. So I wanted to fix the way I eat, and one of the ways to do that was to start cooking. And I started learning to put recipes together, started learning to cook more at home, and now I pretty much eat about 99.9% at home. So that means I cook everything. And one of the best thing you can do if you are cooking, something I think it's a great idea, is to get kitchen tools that make life easier, because cooking is it's a lot guys, it's a lot. So I decided back then to get a rice cooker, and I've used that thing for everything. I absolutely love it, and I think it's a great little tool to have. So I wanted to go over with you guys what you can do with a rice cooker. Now the name say rice cooker guys, but you can do so much with it. There's almost no limit to what you can cook with it, as long as you know how much water to add and what you need to add in there. So I wanted to go over my little rice cooker with you guys to tell you a few things you can cook in there. Now of course the number one thing guys I cook in there is rice. I always cook my rice in there. It cooks perfectly, it doesn't get burned. That's one of the things I didn't like about cooking rice on the stove. It would get burned sometimes, so I have to pretty much guess when I was using the stove. But now as long as I use my rice cooker guys, all I have to do is follow the direction on the bag, which usually is 1 part rice, 2 to 3 part water, and that rice come out perfect. I have no problem, it cooks great. Now the next thing you can do in there guys is, of course, at least for my rice cooker, I have a little top piece on there. You can steam the veggies in there. You know you gotta have your veggies guys. You need your plate to look colorful. So I do steam my veggies right on top of it when I'm cooking my rice. So I end up with bowl of rice, veggies on the side, my food is good to go. Now something else I make in it lately, you guys see me make my broth. I love making these things. I've made different ones. I made a variety of broth. I put a lot of veggies, I put a lot of greens, I put my beef in there, I put my bone broth base, which is usually beef bone broth base. So you know guys, you can do so many different broth, and even cook soup in there. This is a good way to start your healthy journey, is to get one of these little fun rice cookers. Mine is a pretty basic one. I have the Black & Decker 14 cup rice cooker, and that was $19.98 plus tax. I got that at Walmart. You can also find it online. I will have links for you guys. They have fancy ones you can get that do so much more, but that's what I wanted you guys to realize, that even that little basic one, you can cook pretty much anything in it. Makes life easy. Just set it there, let it cook, and come back to it, and your food is done guys. So if you have any fun little tools that you use, if you have something that makes life easier to cook, if you have something that helps you stay on track with your health and fitness goal guys, please comment down below, because I want to get myself to a state where it has its good health back, because I noticed that I spent a few years not taking care of myself the best way, and it did cost me a lot, and now I'm fixing that. And one of those ways to do that guys is to cook at home. So comment down below with any tips and tricks that you guys use, any tools that you have that makes life easier. Please let us know, because I can't wait to get into this cooking thing full force and learn how to make some bomb meals guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already guys, subscribe to my channel. I will have fun videos every week. Everybody make sure you click that little notification button so you'll know when I have these videos up, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go over and watch my last video guys.